Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to a PC for Warzone using an easy method. Getting your PlayStation 4 controller working on your computer is straightforward, whether you prefer a wired or wireless setup. We'll explore both options, ensuring you can jump into your favorite games with minimal fuss. Plus, I'll show you how to use a helpful tool to make sure your controller works perfectly with nearly any PC game. The simplest way to connect your PS4 controller is with a USB cable. Just take a standard micro USB cable, the same one you use to charge your controller, and plug one end into the controller and the other into an available USB port on your PC. Your computer should recognize it almost instantly. This wired connection offers excellent responsiveness, with virtually no input lag, and you never have to worry about your controller's battery running out mid-game. For a wireless experience, you'll use Bluetooth. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your PC. Then, on your PS4 controller, simultaneously press and hold the share button and the central PlayStation button for about 3 seconds until the light bar begins flashing quickly. On your PC, go to Settings, then Devices, and select Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Choose Bluetooth and select Wireless Controller from the list. If prompted for a PIN, enter 0000. To ensure maximum compatibility, especially for non-Steam games like Warzone, consider using DS4 Windows. This free software makes your PS4 controller appear as an Xbox 360 controller to your PC, which most games natively support. After installing DS4 Windows and its necessary drivers, launch it before starting Warzone. Within Warzone's options, navigate to the controller settings and confirm that your aiming input device is set to controller. This setup will give you a seamless gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.